Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back and welcome back to the winter chill. It's moving in across Acadiana. Temperatures in the 60s right now, mid 70s just an hour ago, upper 70s the high today, 79 the official high in Lafayette. But we'll see 70s again returning by Sunday and maybe upper 70s by the end of the 10-day forecast. So up and down weather. This is the way it goes in February. So as we take a look outside, Justin Terro getting us a nice time lapse. We got a little intervals of sunshine in between the stratiform clouds today. And as expected, that got our temperature up to 79 degrees, but not a record. The record on this date was 87. I don't know how you generate that in early February, but it did happen way back in the late 1800s, I believe. So let's take a look at the big picture across the lower 48. Big time winter weather, ice storm, snowstorm, blizzard conditions, wind chill advisories across the Dakotas, and more snow in the west. Meanwhile, we're just getting the trailing edge of all of this, and the coldest air with this system is going to bypass us off to the north. So we're not going to see freezing temperatures. Don't need to worry about the pipes, not even cover the plants for the most part, although that might be a little bit different for our northern parishes, especially tomorrow night. We'll talk more about that in just a bit. Here's the front making good headway through the area, but showers behind it as well. The front pretty much moving through Iberia and northern northwestern sections of St. Mary Parish and lower St. Martin Parish. Some showers back to the west, and that's what we do expect later on tonight. Some sprinkly light rains and misty drizzles, especially as that colder air comes in after midnight tonight. That's when the colder air starts really pouring in. It'll be in the 50s for a good part of this evening. Most of the showers over with in Lafayette. They're concentrating across portions of Iberia Parish from around the Sycamore Point area, where you're going to get a nice downpour shortly, and then showers up through the Jeanerette area. And then as we move into St. Mary Parish, we see those showers just north of Sherrington and then by the Franklin area. So far dry over toward Morgan City and Stevensville, but that's going to change in the next hour or two as that front makes pretty good headway. In fact, can't even keep up with the front. It's moving so fast. It is clear of New Iberia and Baton Rouge, but not quite Hammond yet. And you can see back to the north and west, temperatures in the 50s. You get into the 40s in Texas, and the Big D coming in at 36 degrees. So we take a look at the predictive radar. The showers just about moving out of St. Mary Parish by 7, 8 o'clock this evening, and then a few lingering showers into the nighttime hours. That's why we're going to keep 20, maybe 30% chance for more wet stuff through the overnight hours. Things will be toning down as we head toward tomorrow morning. Then just a plain old cloudy and chilly day. It's going to be windy. Futurecast is awfully optimistic on maybe breaking up some of those clouds and allowing for a little sunshine, but I would not bet on it. And most importantly, not only temperatures in the 40s, but those wind chills. This is the Lafayette numbers, low to mid 30s across Acadiana. We'll show you the rest of the area coming up in just a bit. And chilly and windy conditions stay with us through tomorrow evening. The winds eventually abate as we head into Saturday morning, but there's still going to be a chill factor Saturday morning as well. And then as we head into Saturday afternoon, we're going to see for the most part things quieting down and maybe a little sunshine in the forecast for Saturday afternoon as well. Temperature wise in the 50s, mid to upper 50s at 10 o'clock tonight, but there's going to be a stiff north wind. Watch how this wind picks up through the overnight hours, gets into the 20-mile-an-hour range through tomorrow morning. So upper 30s, lower 40s. I don't think we see 30s with that wind and a lot of mixing going on, but it's going to feel awfully cold. And then tomorrow we stay in the 40s for a good part of the day. The model wants to bring us up to 50 degrees, and even if we hit it, you're not going to feel like it because those wind chill temperatures will stay in the low to mid 40s at best throughout the day. Tomorrow night, upper 30s to lower 40s with the cloud cover, so we should stay above the freezing mark for sure. And then as we head into Saturday, a little bit milder, getting into the mid 50s, and hopefully a little sunshine for Saturday afternoon. Sunday clouds are back, but the temperatures will be getting milder. Here are the wind chills for tomorrow morning. Notice the range from the upper 20s from Bunkie, Alexandria, and Ville Platte down to the low to mid 30s. So there is going to be a wind chill. So you're going to want to dress in layers. You don't necessarily need the heaviest coat, but put on layers to mitigate that wind first thing in the morning. And then wind chills still in the lower 40s tomorrow afternoon, and drive time, happy hour tomorrow evening. And then those chills get back down into the upper 20s to low to mid 30s for Saturday morning, but then milder thereafter. And the one other item, you're going to notice that wind. We rarely see a plot like this throughout the day. Solid north winds. That means at 18 to 22, more than likely gusts up to 30 for tomorrow afternoon. So it's going to be certainly a windy day. May want to secure some of the trash bins and so forth. So tonight, showers early, windy and turning sharply cooler late. Rain chance 70% early, but already dropping down to 20 to 30%. 43 the low. I'm going to go with 49 the high. Mostly cloudy skies and those gusty north winds staying with us at 20 to 30. And to Saturday we go. The winds begin to diminish. Hopefully a little sunshine. And look at this. If you miss the 70s, you won't miss them for very long. They'll be back on Sunday. Spring-like weather early next week. And maybe finally a pretty good chance of soaking as we head into Tuesday. We need at least an inch of rain. We need the water to put some oxygen in some of those crawfish fields so the crawfish can start coming in, because it's been a tardy and slow season so far. And I've been pining for some crawfish.
Same here, yeah. We're overdue.
Right.